Good afternoon and welcome. As mentioned in my first video, I have started a project to hand build a G-scale layout or 1/24 scale layout outside of my garden, not around my house, that's a correction, around the palm tree. So it looked like this, the G-scale track, and then mine. This is a piece which I did to start with to see how it will work. As you can see, the fish plates are well connected. I have tested it once and applied the same principle to the big one outside. So any questions, ask it in the comments, I'll be happy to answer. And up next, a montage of how the first rails were constructed. See you at the end. Cut the legs are needed to pieces and busy sanding them flat for doing the next step. Here I test fillet fish plates to see what pieces I need to cut off to make it level with the G-scale track. Using my trusty rotary tool, I cut the edges off that I need to make the aluminium profiling fit. C-clamps work much better. The plastic clamps didn't hold it to lekker. Test fitting to one of the curves I had, what I got in the starter set, and made sure it fit perfectly. What I'm doing here is grinding grooves into the aluminium profiling so the fish plates can fit more securely, otherwise it would flare open and I was afraid of getting a bad contact eventually down the line. Doing some more modifications on the grooving to make sure it fits snugly to the fish plate. The outside one, I don't use fish plates. I used pieces of aluminium profiling, cut this section, and then I made a 3D printed tool for spacing to account for expansion contraction. So I'm using the tool and marking it with paint where to drill the connection holes on the other side. Before drilling into the hand drill, I used my small model drill to punch holes. The aluminium is quite soft and it's easy to make a mistake and drill a all out of alignment. That's cute. Yeah, I'm sanding them down. Obviously, when you drill any metal, the flares at one end. Yeah, prepping for paint. The fish plate connection and my finger connection I taped over. Obviously, so when I connect it, I have a clear contact to aluminium. When I use the Rust-Oleum Ultracolor flat red primer to paint them. Here taking off the tape before installing the sleepers. Now the first ones I made, the distance to fit the aluminium was a little bit narrow. So I used a hammer to rubber and mallet to knock them in. With the ones outside I added 0.2 mil so I can click them in by hand and then secure them with super glue. Also see this silver color is quite disgusting. So later on I settled for a white color that the current sleepers are. And plus, after I dirty them, it gives it a more natural look. And the table edge works well for installing displays. And yeah, this is how it started and ended up being a big project outside. A lot of work has been done thus far since this footage has been taken. But I hope you'll stay and enjoy the journey with me. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want, and then see you again for the next video. Thank you.